Santa Claus delivered gifts to approximately 6,900,000,000 people in 2010. This year, 2011, he will deliver gifts to approximately 7,100,000,000 people. What is the percent increase of people Santa will deliver gifts to from 2010 to 2011? Alright, in this problem we need to identify some key points of important information. So, the first key point that we have is that in 2010, Santa delivered it to 6,900,000,000, and in 2011 it was up from that to 7,100,000,000. And so we're trying to answer the question, what is the percent increase? So, the first thing I would have done in this problem is I would have changed my notation from 6.9 billion to just 6.9. Since they're both in billions, 6.9 billion is the same thing as saying 6,900,000,000. And then same for the 7.1 in 2011. 7.1 represents 7,100,000,000. So this is 6.9 billion, and this is 7.1 billion. And this represents our 2010, and this represents our 2011. So I would have subtracted 7.1 from 6.9 to see what my difference was. And that gives me 0.2. So that means there was a 0.2 increase in the amount of people. Now to find my percent, I need to create a fraction. So to create this fraction, I take my change, which was it was a 0.2 million increase, if you want to think of it that way. I'm just going to abbreviate increase. And then I would have divided it by my original amount, which was 6.9 billion. And that was my amount in 2010. So when I divide 0.2 divided by 6.9, it'll give me a decimal, which is really small, 0.0289. It keeps going, but we'll just stop it there. So this is not a percent yet, but it's closer. So hopefully we've remembered that to move a decimal to a percent, you have to move it twice to the right. So I'm going to move my decimal point twice to the right. I'm going to use purple to show that. I move it twice to the right, and I get something around the ballpark of 3%, or it's 2.89%. And that is an increase because my number went up from 2010 to 2011. So hopefully your answer looks something similar to this if you tried the problem. If not, now you know how to do it.